You can easily fix the P0138 engine code by cleaning the MAF sensor. This means the ECM has detected a high voltage signal from the oxygen sensor located in bank 1, sensor 2. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. Mass airflow sensor is a device in a car that measures the amount of air entering the engine. It is located on the left side of the engine compartment attached to the air cleaner housing. A faulty MAF sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. So here is the practical solution to fix the P0138 error code at home. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. So these were the easy steps you can follow to solve this code at home. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Nissan, Honda, Dodge, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.